This is a San Juan Fiberglass pool. It's manufactured on a big one-piece mold. And so we basically lay up the color first, and we put the fiberglass on top of it. We let it get hard, and then we pull off the fiberglass pool, flip it over, and there you go. We show up at the driveway with the product, and the dealer excavates the hole, and with a crane or with the excavator carries it off the truck and places it in the ground. We do the plumbing, the electric, the backfill, put a beautiful decking on it. When you're done, it looks like a typical concrete installation. Benefit is that the fiberglass is beautiful smooth, so you can rub on it all day. If you did that on a cement pool, your hand would be bleeding. So it has the look and the desire of an in-ground concrete pool, but all the benefits of maintenance, speed of installation, allows you to get the customer into the swim season instead of missing it and getting it at the end of the summer.